Welcome to Swiss Bionic Solutions, the market leader in the field of magnetic field therapy systems for professional and home use. Thank you for choosing an iMRS Prime system from our company. The iMRS Prime is the most innovative, advanced, and versatile magnetic resonance stimulation system on the market. In this video guide, we will show you how to set up your iMRS Prime system for the first time. What is included with your iMRS Prime system? Before opening the packaging, please inspect the box for any visible signs of damage. If you notice any damage, it is recommended that you open the package in the presence of the delivery person. Make sure that there is no hidden damage and that all components and parts are present and in order. To open the box, lift the top flap and carefully remove the control unit and all included components from the packaging. Please retain the outer box in case you need to return the system for repair.
The package includes the following items: the control panel including stand.
The housing is made of brushed aluminum. A 10.2-inch touchscreen is integrated on its top.
On the sides are 2 ear or headphone jacks, 2 USB sockets for connection to the optionally available brainwave stimulation system Hexagon Brain, and as a download port for a USB stick. 1 power button for switching the entire system on and off. And 2 buttons to control the system volume. On the back side, the cable connection to the connector box is already plugged into the housing.
The connector box. The central hub between the iMRS Prime control panel and all available applicators. There are 6 applicator connectors on the sidebar of the aluminum housing, 3 on the left and 3 on the right side. Furthermore, you will find 2 connectors for the optionally available Hexagon Sense for measuring SpO2 and HRV values, as well as 2 additional USB sockets for connecting the optionally available brainwave stimulation system Hexagon Brain.
The power supply. The power supply unit is delivered with various adapters for different countries.
All iMRS Prime sets always include a whole-body applicator for generating the pulsating magnetic fields. For the iMRS Prime Hybrid and iMRS Prime Trial variants, we supply a special whole-body applicator with an additional far-infrared function. The honeycomb structure of the biocompatible applicator material is breathable, it prevents sweating and is very easy and uncomplicated to clean with mild soapy water and a soft cloth. The whole-body applicator has an optical function control. An LED located near the cable outlet signals the correct function of the applicator with a green color during operation. The pulsating magnetic field changes the pole direction every 2 minutes. This is indicated by the LED changing to a turquoise color. If the LED lights up red, there is a malfunction. In this case, please contact the customer service of your responsible Swiss Bionic Solutions Center. The whole-body applicator is divided into 3 segments by seams and must be folded into an S shape at the 2 seams in opposite directions. By no means it shall be bent or rolled to protect the integrated copper coils from breaking.
Also included in all iMRS Prime sets is a local applicator, Hexagon pad. It can be used for local application, for example, around the knee area, on the shoulder, or on the back. Like the whole-body applicator, it has an optical function control to indicate correct operation. The Hexagon pad must not be folded or rolled and, like the whole-body applicator, can be cleaned with mild soapy water and a soft cloth.
All iMRS Prime sets, with the exception of the iMRS Prime Basic, also include a spot applicator, hexagon spot. It can be used for punctual applications, for example on the leg, arm, neck or even back and pelvic area. The opposite arrangement of the coils during application results in a so-called Helmholtz effect. In this case, a completely homogeneous magnetic field is generated in the center of the applicator, thus increasing the efficiency. Hexagon spot has a flexible strap for easy and effective fixation. Like the other applicators, it is equipped with an optical function control to indicate correct operation and can also be cleaned with mild soapy water and a soft cloth.
For all our iMRS Prime sets we optionally offer 2 additional product extensions. The Hexagon Brain. Together with your iMRS Prime, Hexagon Brain enables you to stimulate the brain waves with optical, acoustic and chromatic signals. For this purpose, sequences of specific frequency bundles are generated via the supplied LED light flashing goggles and a headphone or earphone. The Hexagon Brain goggles have 12 built-in RGB LEDs per eye side and are completely darkened for optimal performance. An elastic strap provides easy adjustment, and the USB cable connects directly to one of the connector sockets on the iMRS Prime system.
The Hexagon Sense. The Hexagon Sense enables even more complex functionality of your iMRS Prime system. Here, biologically relevant data is read from the user's body via a light-sensitive finger sensor during a PEMF application. The iMRS Prime processes the data and calculates the individual heart rate variability in order to actively regulate the intensity of the applied magnetic field. Furthermore, your peripheral oxygen saturation is read out and logged. All data is stored by the system and can subsequently be downloaded and further processed in external analysis software.